So today, we'll do a little quick the razor blade challenge. It's going like viral on Instagram a few times, but I'll show you my take on it. So first thing is you just clean these with acetone. I've already done that. And there's multiple ways you can do this. You can do freehand, chill block, pulse. What I'm going to do today is just pulse, just because it goes by faster, and a lot of people, it's easier for them to. You don't have to dip anything into it. You don't have to wait for it. So we just going to pulse it. So this is all cleaned. Then you go edge to edge, and you're tacking them. And I'm using pulse, 110 amps, 10% background current, and 10% on time. So for just right now, we're going to tack it up real quick. I just use some aluminum just to hold it in place and act sort of like a heat sink. These are tricky because you got to get the fit up perfect on them. Because on the edge is so dang thin that even 2-3 amps you're still going to burn through. So just tack on both ends. There's one end. There's the second one. So we're not going to use a chill fixture like this. This is an aluminum block with a slit in it. We're just going to use an aluminum block, mainly just to hold it so it doesn't move around when we're welding. And we're using pulse. The frequency is around 1.3 times a second, or 1 to 4. And I'm using pretty much 90% of the pedal, so full 110 amps, but it's only 10% of that, so about 12, 13, something like that. So it's not, 120, you hear 110 amps, you think, oh, it's going to blow a hole through it, but we're using the background current and the percent all the time, so only 10% of the time, it's getting 10% of the current, 10% of the time. So it pulses back from it. So I just weld it out. Normally at the end, these usually heat and stress build up. They tend to warp a little bit, but just keep extra shielding gas on it and try to minimize that. So let's give it a go. Keep the shielding gas on it. Let it cool down. There we go. Now, if you use the chill fixture, it comes out with a lot more silver, but like I said, there's multiple ways you can do this. I'll show you what it looks like. It's not a bad weld. Just a little bit too much discoloration that I'd like. See if we can move out of the light a little bit. Not the worst thing. It's still a little hot, but I'll try to pick it up. And that aluminum on the back side acts like a purge, so nice and clean on the back side. And there's the front side. So hope you like that, guys. Hopefully, just get around there and mess around with it. Get to learn your machine, or hone your skills, and hopefully become a great welder. Thanks.